Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to recover a hacked Riot account. First, open a browser and go to support.riotgames.com. Click the game you play, for example, Valorant or League of Legends. Then try the account recovery or forgot username tool. Enter the email you used and follow the prompts. This is the fastest way to get your account back. If that does not work, go back and choose Submit a Ticket. Pick the option for Recover Account. In the form, write your Riot username, your region, and the original email on the account. Say the account was hacked when you last logged in. Keep your message short and clear. Attach proof if you have it, such as purchase receipts, old Riot emails, or screenshots showing the account change. Mention any dates you remember, like when you created the account or made your first purchase. The more accurate the proof you give, the faster the recovery will be. After you submit the ticket, you will get an email confirmation with a ticket number. Check your spam folder in case it lands there. Reply quickly if support asks for more information. That is how you recover your hacked account on Riot. Thanks for watching.